Hello my dear students, welcome to chemistry session. This is Tagore Tupakula, your chemistry lecturer. Today our topic is P block elements. Today our topic is P block elements. You already studied in periodic table chapter what are the P block elements. What are the P block elements? The elements are present in periodic table can classified into 4 blocks based on differentiating electron. The elements are classified into 4 blocks based on entry of differentiating electron or last electron into different atomic orbitals. If last electron enter into s orbital, that elements are called s block elements. If last electron enter into p orbital, such elements are called p block elements. Similarly, if last electron enter into p d orbital or f orbital, the elements are called d and f orbital f block elements. D and f block elements. Next, definition of p block element. What is the definition of p block element? The elements in which last electron enter into p orbital. The elements in which last electron enter into p orbital of valence shell of atom is called p block elements. The elements in which last electron enter into p orbital of valence shell, such elements are called p block elements. P subshell is having 3 orbital. P subshell having 3 orbitals. P subshell is having 3 orbitals. Each orbital can accommodate 2 electrons. Each orbital can accommodate 2 electrons. So, total number of groups present in P block is 6. P subshell can accommodate total 6 electrons. So, P block contains total 6 groups. Total 6 groups. P subshell having 6 electrons. P orbital can accommodate 2 electrons. P subshell can accommodate 6 electrons. P orbital can accommodate 2 electrons. These statements are also important for objective point of view. P subshell is accommodate maximum 6 electrons. P orbital can accommodate maximum 2 electrons. So P subshell is having 6 electrons, so it contains 6 groups. From group number 13 to 18 collectively called as P block elements. Group number 13 to 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. From group number 13 to 18 collectively called as P block elements. Collectively called as P block elements. 13 group are 3rd A group. This is 4th A group. This is 5th A group. This is 6th A group. This is 7th A group. This is 8th A group. According to Mendeleev periodic table, these groups are also notation 3A, 4th A, 5th A, 6th A, 7th A and 8th A. The elements present in group 13 are boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. These are the elements present in group 13 elements. The elements present in group 14 are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. plate. Group 15 elements are boron, carbon, next nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Group 15 elements are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Group 16 elements are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Group 17 elements are chlorine, chlorine, next bromine, iodine and acetylene. Group 18 elements are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. These are the elements present in P block elements. These are the elements present in P block elements. Polonium, acetylene and radon. These elements are radioactive elements. These elements are radioactive elements. The general electronic configuration of P block is NH2 NP126. NH2 NP126. So the general electronic configuration of third group is NH2 NP1 NH2 NP1. If second electron enter into P block, NH2 NP4 NP2 NH2 NP2. The general electronic configuration of fourth group. The general electronic configuration of fifth group is NH2 NP3. The general electronic configuration of sixth group is NH2 NP4. The general electronic configuration of seventh group is NH2 NP5. The general electronic configuration of eighth group is NH2 NP6, except helium. Helium is NH2. These are the general electronic configuration of each and every group of P block elements. Next, atomic number of P block elements is helium atomic number 2. You simply remember 8, 8, 18, 18, 32 plus 32. These are the periodic intervals or magic numbers. By remembering these numbers, you can easily identify the atomic numbers. Helium atomic number is 2. Helium atomic number is 2. Atomic number of helium is 2. 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8. Atomic number of neon is 10. 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8. Atomic number of argon is 18. 18 plus 18. 18 plus 18. Atomic number of krypton is 36. 36 plus 18. Atomic number of xenon is 36 plus 18. 54. Next, 54 plus 32. 54 plus 32. Atomic number of radon 86. 86. 54 plus 32, 86. You simply remembering these magic numbers or periodic intervals, you can identify the atomic number of each and every element present in P block elements. Similarly, for boron, third group elements, atomic number of boron is 5. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8. Get the 5 plus 8, 13. Simply add these periodic interval or magic numbers to get the atomic numbers of the each and every element of P block elements. This is introduction of P block elements. Next we will mainly discuss group 30 elements. Next we discuss mainly group 30 elements. Next we discuss about the group 30 elements. Are boron, family. Boron family. The main elements present in boron family is boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium are group 13 elements. Group 13 elements. Boron is a typical non-metal. It is a non-metal. Boron is a typical non-metal. Rest of the elements are metals. Rest of the elements are, these are metals. Boron is a typical non-metal. Rest of the elements are metals. Aluminium is having metallic character. Aluminium is having metallic character, but it's showing so many similar properties with boron. Aluminium is having metallic character, but it's showing so many similar properties with boron. Next, occurrence. Occurrence of boron family. Boron fairly rare element. Boron is fairly rare element. Mainly it occurs as borax, orthoboric acid and kyanite. Boron is mainly available as orthoboric acid. Formula of orthoboric acid is H3BO3. Borax, formula Na2B4O7.10H2O and kyanite. Formula of kyanite is Na2B4O7.4H2O. Boron is mainly available in earth crust in form of orthoboric acid, borax and kyanite. In India, borax is mainly available in Koga Valley and Sambar Lake. Borax is mainly found in Koga Valley and Sambar Lake. The abundance of boron in earth crust is very much less. The abundance of boron in earth crust is very much less, that is 0.0001%. The abundance of boron in earth crust is very much less, that is 0.001%. Boron is available in two isotope forms. Boron is available in two isotope forms. One is B10 and second one is B11. Isotope of B10, borons B10 and B11. B10 is available in 19%. B11 is about 81%. Isotopes means having same atomic number but different mass numbers. Boron having atomic number 5. Here same atomic number but different mass numbers. So these are isotopes of boron. Boron is available in two isotopic forms. Boron 10 is available about 19%. Boron 11 is available about 81%. Next, aluminium is the most abundant metal. Aluminium is most abundant metal. Aluminium is most abundant metal and third most abundant element. If you talk about metals, aluminium is most abundant element. If we talk about all elements, it is the third most abundant element after oxygen and silicon. Oxygen is present in earth crust 45.5%, silicon 27.7%, aluminium is present about 8.3%. Next, minerals of aluminium. Aluminium is mainly available in the form of bauxite, and cryolite are the important minerals of the aluminium. Bauxite formula Al2O3.2H2O, cryolite formula Na3Al F6. Bauxite and cryolite are the important minerals of aluminium. Important minerals of aluminium. In India, it is found as mica. In India, it is found as mica in Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Orissa and Jammu. Orissa and Jammu. Next, gallium and indium thallium. Gallium, indium and thallium are very much less abundant in earth crust. Gallium, indium and thallium are less abundant elements. Less abundant elements in earth crust. This is the order of abundance of group 13 elements. This is the relative abundance of group 13 elements. Aluminium most abundant element, gallium, boron, thallium, indium. Next, electronic configuration. Next, general trends of boron family is electronic configuration. The general electronic configuration of group 13 elements is NH2 NP1. The general electronic configuration of this group elements is NH2 NP1. Boron having electronic configuration helium 2s2 2p1, aluminium neon 3s2 3p1, boron aluminium. Next, gallium, argon 3d10 4s2 4p1. Next, indium, helium, neon, argon. Next, krypton 4d10 5s2 5p1, 5s2 5p1. Next, thallium, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Xenon 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p1, 6s2 6p1, 6s2 6p1, 2s2 2p1, 3s2 3p1, 4s2 4p1, 5s2 5p1, 6s2 6p1. So the general electronic configuration of this group elements is NH2 NP1. NH2 NP1. In case of gallium 3D subshell is introduced. In case of gallium, 3D subshell is firstly introduced. It can affect so many physical properties. It can affect so many physical properties like atomic radius, ionization energy, electronegativity, like that. Next, we discuss the physical properties of boron family. Physical properties of boron family. First physical property is atomic radius or ionic radius. First physical property is atomic or ionic radius. In these group elements are having less atomic radius. These group elements are having less atomic radius when comparing with corresponding S block elements. In comparing with corresponding S block elements. When we move from top to bottom, generally atomic size increases. Generally atomic size top to bottom increases, but here one deviation is observed. Generally down the group atomic radius increases because number of shells increases, but here one deviation is observed. From aluminium to gallium, size decreases because in gallium 3D subshell is introduced. 3D subshell is introduced. Boron to Aluminium size increases. Aluminium to gallium size decreases because in gallium 3D subshell is introduced, it having d orbital having poor shielding effect. Poor shielding effect or shielding effect. D orbitals are having poor shielding effect or shielding effect. Due to poor shielding effect of d orbitals, the size of gallium decreases when comparing with aluminium. Next, gallium to indium size increases. Indium to thallium size almost same. Size almost same because in thallium 4F subshell is also introducing along with 5D subshell. Due to poor shielding effect of F and d orbitals, thallium atomic size is almost same to indium. Generally, atomic size increases top to bottom because number of shells are increases. But aluminium to gallium size decreases due to poor screening effect or shielding effect of d orbitals, and indium to thallium size is almost same because poor screening effect of F and d orbitals. F and d orbitals. Next, size of the boron family. Boron having 88 picometers, aluminium having 143 picometers, gallium having 135 picometers. Next, indium having 167 picometers, and last one thallium having 170 picometers. These are the atomic radius of the boron family. So, order of atomic radius. Atomic radius order. First, boron greater than gallium greater than aluminium greater than indium greater than thallium. This is the order of atomic radius of the group 13 elements. Ionic radius order is boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. This is ionic radii. Ionic radii. Ionic radii top to bottom increases. Ionic radii top to bottom increases. Next, second physical property is ionization energy. Ionization energy. What is ionization energy? The minimum amount of energy is required to remove outermost electron from isolated gaseous state atom is called ionization energy. Generally, ionization energy top to bottom decreases when atomic size increases. The ionization energy of group 13 elements changes in oscillating manner. The ionization energy of group 13 elements changes in oscillating manner. Boron is having 801 kilojoules per mole ionization energy, aluminium having 577 and gallium having 579, indium having 558, thallium having 589. Boron to aluminium ionization energy decreases. The ionization energy decreases. Next, aluminium to gallium again increases. Here increases. Gallium to indium decreases. Indium to thallium increases. The ionization energies are changes in oscillating manner. It decrease, increase, decrease, increase. So order of ionization energy. So order boron having more. Next one 589. Thallium. Next one 579 gallium. Next one, aluminium 577. Next one, indium 558. This is the order of IP order. IP order. Ionization potential order. This is a irregular trend. Irregular trend. Next property, electronegativity. Third property, physical property of boron family is electronegativity. Electronegativity means the property of an atom to attract bond pair electrons towards itself in heterodiatomic molecule. In heterodiatomic molecule, the bond pair electrons are attracting towards itself. That property is called electronegativity. Electronegativity decreasing order. Electronegativity decreasing order of boron family is boron having 2.0. Next, gallium 1.8, indium having 1.7, gallium having 1.6, and aluminium having 1.5. Boron to aluminium. Aluminum electronegativity decreases. Next, gallium to thallium increases. Boron to aluminium electronegativity decreases. From gallium to thallium it increases. Aluminium having least electronegative values and comparing with thallium, indium and gallium, because these elements are having d and f orbitals. They are providing pore shielding effects. Next, to electropositive character. Electropositive character means the tendency of an atom to lose electrons. Is called electropositive character. In this group elements, aluminium is more electropositive element. Boron is less electropositive elements. The remaining elements also less electropositive due to pore shielding of d and f orbitals. Next one, density of boron family. Density means mass by volume. Density is directly proportional to molar mass. Density increases from top to bottom because molar mass increases. It is the order of density of boron family. Boron to aluminium, density is not increases to expected. Boron to aluminium density is not increases, expected increases, because boron to aluminium atomic size gap is more. Here boron to aluminium atomic size suddenly increases, because atomic size here mass by volume. Density means mass by volume. Boron to aluminium density is not expected to increase, because boron to aluminium atomic size suddenly increases. Aluminium having more atomic size when comparing with boron. Next, melting and boiling points. The melting and boiling points. The order of melting point. Boron is having highest melting point. Next, aluminium, thallium, indium and gallium. This is the order of melting point of group 13 elements. Boron is having highest melting point. Due to polymeric structure of butyl icosahedral units. It consists B12 icosahedral units in having highest melting point. In group 13 elements, boron is having highest melting point because it contains polymeric structure of B12 icosahedral units. Icosahedral units. Gallium is simply exists as Ga2 molecule. Gallium exists as simply Ga2 molecule, so it having least melting point. Having least melting point. Gallium exists as liquid up to 2000 degrees centigrade. Gallium is exists up to 2000 degrees centigrade temperature. Because of this long liquid range or high liquid range, it can be used in high temperature thermometers. Due to large liquid range of gallium, it is used in high temperature thermometers. High temperature thermometers. Next, boiling points of group 13 elements, top to bottom decreases. Down the group, boiling point decreases from boron to thallium. Next one, oxidation states. Next one, oxidation states. The general oxidation state of this family is +3. The general oxidation state of group 13 elements is +3. Boron can show +3 oxidation state. Aluminum is also can show +3. Gallium can show +1 and +3 oxidation state. Indium can show +1 and +3 oxidation state. Thallium can show +1 and +3 oxidation states. Gallium, indium, thallium can show additionally +1 also. It is due to inert pair effect. Due to inert pair effect, inert pair effect. Due to inert pair effect, bottom elements can show +1 oxidation state. Boron is also exhibit -3 oxidation state. -3 oxidation state. Top to bottom, +3 oxidation state. +3 oxidation state, stability decreases. The stability of +3 oxidation state top to bottom decreases. Top to bottom, +1 oxidation state stability increases. Top to bottom, stability of +3 oxidation state decreases. +1 oxidation state stability increases. So thallium is in +1 state more stable. Thallium in +1 state is more stable. More stable. And boron is in +3 more stable. More stable. You can explain by BCl3 is stable molecule. BCl3 or BF3. BF3 is stable. It can be explained by back bonding is also. Thallium, TLCl3 is unstable. TLCl3 is unstable. TLCl is more stable. Thallic chloride is unstable. Thallus chloride is stable due to inert pair effect. Out of TLCl3 and TLCl, TLCl is more stable than TLCl3 due to inert pair effect. Due to inert pair effect. Stability order of oxidation state. Boron +3 is more stable than aluminium. +3 is more stable than gallium. +3 is more stable than indium. Is more stable than thallium. +3. The stability of +1, indium is more stable in +1 state than Thallium plus 1 is more stable than indium. Next, gallium. These are the stability of oxidation states. This is introduction and physical properties of the group 13 elements. In next class, we discuss about the chemical properties of boron family and anomalous behavior of boron and diagonal relationship of boron with silicon.